Out of the many exercising options, if you have chosen resistance training at the gym, then it is important to remember how important it is to use a correct technique while training. Or otherwise one might end up in a hospital, and we don't want that. In this video, I will be sharing the mistakes to avoid and the correct technique to do a few exercises at the gym. The exercise about which we are going to discuss today is called leg extension. Make your adjustments such that the lower foot pad is right above your ankles. This exercise can lead to considerable compressive forces being exerted on the knee joint, so those of you who are currently having bad knees need to be especially more careful. The seated position should be such that the back of the knee joint touches the edge of the bench with the knees kept in line with a pivot point. This is a wrong way of doing it. You need to keep your torso upright. Keep your back straight against the back support at all times. So stay safe and stay fit. See you next time with a new exercise video and to discuss about the mistakes to avoid at the gym.